In this video, I will show you how you can download and open files on any iPhone. Now, the first method is if you download a file from your browser. Now, let's download a file from Safari. For example, I'll download this file, select download, and after you do that, you will see this download icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, just tap on the download icon and select downloads. As you can see, this is the file which we have downloaded. Now, just tap on it. And after you do that, you will open the file on your iPhone. Now to download it to your iPhone storage, just tap on the share button. And from here, just scroll down and tap on save to files. Now in the files app, just select where you want to save your file. For example, I will select on my iPhone, then tap on save. And after you do that, if you open the files app on your iPhone, then go to the location where you have saved your file. As you can see, this is the file which I have saved. Now, this was the first method. Now, the second method is if you have received a file on messages. For example, I will open messages. Now, as you can see, this is a file which I have received. Now, with the same method, just open the file, tap on share, and from here, just look for the option of save to files. Now, just tap on save to files and select the location where you want to save your file. Now, for example, I will select this location. I will tap on save. And if I go back to the Files app, as you can see, this is a file which I have saved. And similarly, if you have received a file which is attached to an email, just open the email. Now from here, just open the file. And the same way, just tap on the share button and select save to files. Select the location. For example, I will save it over here. Tap on save. And if you go back to the Files app, and if you open the folder, you will find the file which we have saved. And if you have received a photo instead of a file, just select Save to Photos if you want to save the photo which you have received to the Photos app. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.